Evil Chicken Little, you look tired.
I know. It's because I got 2 hours of sleep.
That's okay. Anyways, we are going to watch our dogs. But first, I'll get the TV. Evil Chicken Little, why are you sleeping in class? Sleeping in class isn't allowed.
I agree with Margot. Me too.
Me three. Yeah. You better wake up before Merida comes back in here.
Evil Chicken Little, wake up.
Oh no. What just happened?
Evil Chicken Little, how dare you fall asleep in class? That's it. Go to Mary Beth's office right now.
Evil Chicken Little, why are you here?
I fell asleep in class.
Evil Chicken Little, you don't fall asleep in class. That's it. You are expelled for eternity. Go home right now.
My evil clone. I can't believe you got expelled for falling asleep in class. That's it. You are grounded for 589,756 weeks. Go to your room right now.
Why?